Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So, good Thursday morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We're starting a bit earlier today because we got the ULI conference just after that we'll be heading out to in a few minutes. And we just wanted to make sure that we got you the news before we started that conference. And I'm sure we'll have some interesting people to talk to there, and we'll probably have some more news for Friday after that. So, big day at the ULI conference here in Warsaw, and we'll definitely be collecting some information over the day, and we'll talk about it a little bit tomorrow. Let's just jump on. We'll show you a little commercial about our upcoming events, and we have two of them in October. Our CRE Awards in Budapest, which is October 20th, and the week after that, October 27th, is our CEE Investment Awards right here in Warsaw. So the CRE Awards in Budapest, 2 weeks after EXPO, and then the 3 weeks after EXPO is here in Warsaw. So we'll take a little break. We'll be right back with Winston Norman and our highlights of the news on EuropaProperty.com. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Craig Smith, publisher of EuropaProperty.com. Welcome to the 4th annual Europa Property CRE Awards, the only international real estate awards event based in Budapest, Hungary, and covering the surrounding region. After a year of online events, now we are finally able to meet face-to-face with international, regional, and local commercial real estate professionals. With over 10 countries covered, including Hungary, Czech Republic, Slovenia, Slovakia, Serbia, Croatia, Montenegro, Bosnia and Herzegovina, Albania, and Ukraine, this will be an event not to be missed. Check out our website, creawards.net or EuropaProperty.com. So welcome back, and Winston, good to see you.
Right, Craig.
Ready for the ULI conference today?
Yeah, very, very looking forward to this conference today. Actually,
me too.
Should be an interesting day.
Exactly.
And we'll start off with some very interesting news from Panattoni.
Okay.
And they've completed the biggest zone land deal ever in the Swedish market. As you know, recently they went to the Swedish market and they've just closed a €300 million acquisition, acquiring 7 sites with a total of 121 hectares in the region of Stockholm.
That's pretty big.
Yeah, and it was they got this. They bought this land from a Swedish family-owned real estate owner and developer, and the land has zoning permits and the potential to develop almost 700,000 square meters of logistics.
Wow, so a lot coming up.
A lot coming up, yeah, and the total investment is estimated at €1 billion.
Wow, so big deal.
Yeah, and Robert Dobritsky, CEO of Panattoni, he says Panattoni is accelerating its expansion across Western European markets, and this record Swedish land transaction is probably the most spectacular entry into a new market we have achieved so far. And on the land, Panattoni plans to develop 19 warehouses, speculatively.
Wow, that's a big, I saw Robert last night. He won an award at the a lot of his team won awards at the top women in real estate. He also won one for most pro woman company.
Yeah, he's a nice guy.
Yeah, he is.
He's very
hires
agreeable.
Seems to hire and promote a lot of women in that company too. So he deserved that award.
Certainly did. Moving to Croatia, and the Radisson Group have announced the debut of its luxury lifestyle Radisson Collection brand in Croatia, which is the opening of the Grand Hotel Bironi Pula. This follows an extensive 30 million repositioning of the hotel by Radisson Group's partner PPHE Hotel Group and its Croatian subsidiary Arena Hospitality Group. The hotel is a cliffside location on the Adriatic, and it offers 227 rooms, swimming pool, multiple restaurants, bars, health and wellness facilities. And according to the Chief Executive Officer of the Arena Hospitality Group, this premium redevelopment paves the way for our other 2 premium hotel openings planned for Croatia in Zagreb in 2022 and in Pula in 2023.
Well, that sounds great. That's all. They could be in our hotel category for the CRE Awards.
Yeah, and this is an interesting refurb because this was actually a very famous hotel that was used by lots of famous people in the past, and now it's been totally refurbed. So it's definitely a popular location.
Well, I must have been there in the past.
I'm sure that you were there.
Yeah.
Coming to Warsaw and in the office leasing market, Digital, a European technology and consultant company, has opened its first office in Warsaw in the WeWork Messe Legacy Tower. And this whole leasing process took a total of 3 days because they did the deal on the online ShareSpace platform.
No. Very nice.
And Digital was recently recognised for its outstanding expertise and contribution in the sphere of digital transformation at the CEE 2020 CEE Business Service Awards in Warsaw. And Digital partners with high-tech industry leaders such as Salesforce, Microsoft and IBM, and it's got 20 years experience in the market, and it has 1,500 employees across 13 countries.
That's a lot.
Yeah. So obviously, with being an innovative tech company, it should be growing quite extensively. And that's kind of what they're doing in Warsaw, I would imagine. And finally for today, and Dutch retailer Used Products has announced that it's consolidated its presence in the Romanian market. It's now it's got an expansion plan, and it aims to open several franchises in the country in the coming years. The company's goal is to expand in cities with populations of more than 50,000. At the moment, it's got 3 stores. The last one was opened in Bucharest in February this year. And according to Con Norbert, he's the franchise director in Romania. He says that estimated sales for the new store are 250,000 euros, and the turnover of the branch last year was 823,000 euros. And with the prospect of accelerated growth in the coming years, Romania is considered a country with a future for such a business, as there's not many competitors in this market at the moment.
Oh, good. Well, very interesting. Thanks for that, Winston. Very interesting highlights for our Thursday morning. And thank you all for watching the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be back tomorrow, Friday, for the, I guess, the roundup of the week. Yeah, it's the final day. I guess we don't really round it up. It's just the last news of the week.
Yeah, maybe we'll make some comments on ULI.
Oh, yeah, for sure. So thank you very much for watching us, ladies and gentlemen, and we will see you Friday morning. Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.